Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best button press machine is probably one of the most versatile tools for anyone looking to create custom buttons, pins, or badges. Whether you're a small business owner looking for promotional items, or a hobbyist wanting to personalize your projects, a button press machine can be a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of button press machines, exploring different sizes and features to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. Button Maker Machine Kit. This versatile kit lets you effortlessly create custom buttons and magnets. It's perfect for personal projects, events, or even promotional items. This set includes everything you need for button and badge creation. Use this as a photo magnet maker machine to craft custom gifts or unique party favors. The kit comes with 500 buttons, 15 fridge magnets, 15 bottle openers, 15 keychain buttons, cutters, and over 500 button designs. Enjoy the flexibility of the pin-making machine with 3 mold sizes. You can make your own buttons in different shapes and sizes to match any theme or occasion. It offers a lot of possibilities. The button press machine simplifies the button-making process, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. Each kit includes all the supplies needed for quick and easy assembly. It's designed for ease of use. This small button maker is great for kids and adults alike. Enjoy creative time with family and friends using pin-making supplies that offer endless fun and memorable DIY projects. It's a great way to spend time together. What we like. This kit is a complete crafting set, including everything you need to get started. It offers multiple sizes, allowing you to create a variety of buttons. If you're looking for a fun and engaging activity for the whole family, this is the perfect choice. It's great for DIY projects and making memories. What people say. The machine feels sturdy and well-built, and every button I've made so far has come out smooth and professional looking. The buttons are easy to put together as long as you follow the instructions, and it comes with things to cut out if you order it that way. Great product that works very well. Very durable and easy to use. Looks nice and is perfect size to store as well. High quality product. Number 4. Happizza Button Maker Machine 1.25 plus 2.25. This button maker machine comes with 2 interchangeable models, allowing you to create buttons of different sizes. You can easily switch between them to meet your various needs. With this one machine, you'll have everything you need to create a variety of buttons. Assembly is a breeze, taking only 2 simple steps. Making buttons is even easier. An instruction manual is included, so even beginners can master it in just minutes. Happizza is a leading button maker machine supplier, trusted by millions. It's a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. Join the Happizza family today. The kit includes a detachable badge maker machine, 2 button models, 32mm and 58mm, 2 circle cutters, and button parts. It has everything you need to get started right away. This button-making kit makes a great gift for children or friends. The included packaging is exquisite. The buttons it creates are perfect for personalized gifts, souvenirs, and promotional items. What we like. This machine stands out with its interchangeable button models, offering flexibility in size. It's also incredibly easy to assemble and use, even for beginners. If you are a DIY enthusiast looking for a reliable and versatile button maker, this is the one for you. It's perfect for creating personalized gifts and promotional items. What people say. I love that I was able to get 2 different size buttons included, and lots of supplies. Works perfectly. This button maker holds up after repeated use. Very nice and sturdy. This one is actually very easy to set up and start pumping them out. Number 3. Button Pin Maker Machine 1 foot plus 1.25 plus 2.25 kit. This button maker comes with 3 different sizes, 1 inch, 1.25 inch, and 2.25 inch. It includes complete crafting materials for 300 button badges. Remember to distinguish the small and medium molds to avoid incorrect installation. With this kit, you can create 300 button badges, with 100 pieces for each size. The package includes everything you need, and the circle cutters allow you to customize your paper designs. Making a badge takes less than 15 seconds after installation. Watch the video or read the manual for detailed instructions. Note that plastic pinback buttons do not require a plastic washer during the process. The badge button maker is made of high-strength engineering plastic, making it lightweight and easy to operate. Its top rotating die improves efficiency and accuracy, and also helps with positioning. You can make a badge in under 15 seconds when installed correctly. This is a great DIY gift for personalized badges. It can be used for photo storage, ornament decoration, wedding name tags, and classroom crafting. We can't wait to see your creative designs. What we like? This machine offers multiple sizes, giving you plenty of options for your projects. It's designed to be easy to use, making badge creation quick and simple. If you're looking for a creative gift or a fun project for yourself, this kit is a great choice. It's perfect for personalized badges and decorations. What people say? This machine makes really nice buttons at a great price. The buttons I've made with this machine have lasted a long time and look great and seem really sturdy. The 300 PCS button pin maker machine is fantastic for DIY projects. It comes with everything you need: 3 button making dies, a circle cutter, and metal pinback button refills. The machine is easy to use, and the multiple size options, 1 foot, 1.25, 2.25, give plenty of creative flexibility. Number 2. Aiment button maker machine, multiple sizes. This versatile machine lets you create custom badges and pins effortlessly. It comes with 3 different mold sizes, perfect for all your DIY projects and personalized gifts. Unlike heavy metal machines, this one is made from high-strength plastic, making it lightweight and rust-resistant. Its easy operation allows you to make hundreds of buttons quickly. The ergonomic design makes badge creation easy, requiring less force. The improved positioning system ensures precise pin production every time, making it fun for kids. Everything you need is included in the kit. It comes with a machine, molds, a magic book, cutters, and 600 button making supplies. You can start your creative projects right away. This machine is a fantastic gift for anyone who loves creative projects. Use it to bring photos, characters, and memories to life. It's perfect for any special occasion. When using the machine, ensure the pins are not aligned with the holes in the first step. This allows the mechanism to depress properly. Then, align them for the second step. What we like? This machine is versatile, offering multiple sizes to suit your needs. It's lightweight and durable, making it easy to handle and long-lasting. If you're looking for a user-friendly and comprehensive kit for creating custom badges, this is the perfect option. It's ideal for both kids and adults. What people say? There's a little learning curve to make sure you get the pin lined up, but after that, everything was a breeze. All 3 size makers produced beautiful buttons. It's easy to use and delivers good results. Number 1. Button Maker Machine 1.25 2.25 inch, 400 PCS. This button maker comes with 3 different die sizes, 1 inch, 1.25 inch, and 2.25 inch. It includes a total of 400 button making supplies, allowing you to create buttons of various sizes to meet your needs. The package includes 100 metal backs and 100 ABS backs for 1-inch buttons, and 100 metal backs each for 1.25 inch and 2.25 inch buttons. The metal backs are more durable than plastic ones. It also includes circle cutters to help you create your own designs. This machine makes a button in less than 15 seconds after installation. Watch the video or read the manual for detailed instructions. Remember to use washers for the 1.25 inch and 2.25 inch metal back buttons. Extra washers are included. The pin maker is made of high-strength engineering plastic, and the body and dies are integrated. It's lightweight and easy to operate. The top rotating die improves efficiency, accuracy, and positioning. You can use it for photo storage, ornament decoration, wedding name tags, classroom crafting, and more. We encourage you to share your creative designs. It provides a quick and easy way to create customized buttons for promotional items. It allows users to design their own buttons with 3 different sizes. What we like? This machine provides multiple sizes, giving you the flexibility to create various button designs. It's designed for easy use, allowing you to make badges quickly and efficiently. If you're looking to start your own button-making business or create personalized items, this is a great choice. It's perfect for promotional items and creative projects. What people say? I have made several badges easily. I read through the instructions, which were very easy to understand, and all of the parts were ready to go. I also received an email linking a YouTube video to help walk through how to get started and make a badge. It works great for all sizes included. The machine was easy to figure out after watching a couple of little demo videos. The printed directions weren't much help, but the videos made all the difference. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.